magirajuĩti maya magirajuĩtaga mweri mwĩciragia atĩ ũhoro wao mũgĩka ithabu rĩa ũtũũro hĩndĩ ĩrĩa mũrera andũ aitũ ciarai mwĩte ũthamaki megũciara marerere kũ megũciara irĩa gĩkĩ ĩgithĩ tikĩo ciana irakwĩra mabũrũri marabu o mathiĩte gũcaria waria Kenya nĩegwatĩirwo ũndũri wĩyathĩte mĩaka 50 no koina nĩ bomu makomereirie na nwerĩribũka mamake aranjĩrire matonge ona magũre mĩciĩ rũraya mathondeke athĩni bilioni 1 na milioni 5 no mamenyage athĩni aya marathoma makaga wĩra nĩ bomu makomereirie na nwerĩribũka mamake monete mũndũ mũtu agĩteithio na ageciria kũrĩa gĩtonga.
So wadau, I just bumped to the video ambayo nimeicheza hapo. First of all, hiyo ni video ya Muigai wa Njoroge. Na hii video, it's a video dated back to the Uhuru era. Now, I want to speak about this. Na mtaniruhusu ni speak without fear of contradiction because that's what has been sold to us as a generation right now. Yesterday, the young generation and the young lions of this nation took it upon themselves and started a revolution on the streets of Nairobi. You know, people like Muigai wa Njoroge are people that we as the young generation looked up to for motivation. And when we think about fighting for our nation. But these people became sellouts. These people are right now standing on the roadside allowing young. Let me ask, wasanii wa Mlima Kenya wako wapi? You know, you all make noises when it comes to Deputy President Rigathi Gachagua, something has happened, hey, I'm a villager, and whatever nonsense you go ahead trying to sell out to Kenyans kwa sababu mna kashilingi ambako mnarushiwa kwa mfuko. Yesterday we lost a young boy by the name of Rex, 29 years of age, born in 1995, a Gen Z if I may say so. Lakini mumetulia tu. You know, Muigai hii wimbo, acha niwaambie ukweli. Hii wimbo, ulikuwa unaimba hiyo time ukitaka tu kuchoma Uhuru Muigai Kenyatta. Na Uhuru told us, the young generation don't mess with them. You are sitting on a time bomb. And once that time bomb decides to go off, not even your prayers or anything will maintain them. Because kwani munadhani vijana walikuwa wanapiga demos mpaka saa 2 kwa nini? Kwa sababu hao vijana, they have nothing to do the next day. Hawana job ya kwenda the next day. These young men and women are graduates from the most prestigious university in this country. We graduated with degrees, diplomas. Some of us have gone ahead even to attain masters, thinking that our masters will get us jobs, but we get none. Muigai niwa inire no kiuga magraduate mau maragraduate makaga mawira ati ne bomu mukaririte na yariri muka ne mukamenya ati ni bomu mekalia na wakati ambapo hilo bomu litalipuka mtajua mjua. So yesterday was an indication. And let me call out a police officer by the name of Murangeri. Riri etora Kemero Mokundoe. Ndekwareria Kemero orotue Nkai. Nie no jarie Gikuyu Garia Gituruka na Garia lugha ciothe tondu nie ndemo Kenya. Ende tiga kankwareria lugha ku mutue Nkai. Kankwere na nkorume na kerumi ekenjuri ncheke na kiakuru nkwere ruri rwaku ruri thina mwankaro udire utte corona thiri nyinda kuruma na ndakuthika ndauwa ngaio njambe na ngaio kire mara arodira ni awe muambu uwi mwana omuntu urorwere uramuringira risasi biarare abyo kiondone ithimo na kibande yake uwi etoro itananjire uro etero amute muambu uwi nkorombo uwi traua rureyo rwaku rurodira uwi rureyo rwaku roroaeteyo uwi rureyo rwaku rurore thina muambu uwi twakuthikania twakuthikania na rureyo rwaku na family yaku na boyo bonthe tubathikana tururuma rureyo ruu rutikorona machiara meandene nthi rutura kwa tanthangari. Yes, nimeongea. I've spoken that out of anger because you know what? Murangeri was the man that fired the bullet that killed a young man by the name of Rex yesterday. This officer we have been seeing him, tumekuwa kwa maandamano for some time na tumekuwa tukiona ukarao jo, amekuwa mtiaji, yeye ndiye yule analipuanga tu na yeye ndio organize makara wenye upiga wase Kamukunji, yeye ndiye mwenye organize makara wenye upiga wase Jacaranda. I remember him in Jacaranda also. So yesterday after giza kuingia, he discharged his fire na kaondoka na maisha kijana. The whole nation lays a curse on you, Murangeri. You will never know peace. You are not a son from Meru County. We disassociate with ourselves with you. Oteo wetu tokorea muambu nkoma. Right now you might laugh, you might see it's as a joke, but I tell you 10 years from now, you will be sitting your ass somewhere in a bed crying of a disease that will never be healed. Ini nchi yetu sisi. Na watu kama nyinyi mnaoimba hizo nyimbo, I tell you, people like Muigai wa Njoroge, you people should come out with, yani nashindangwa mbona mkae kila time kazi yenu ni yo man, you people make us even lose sight even mentioning your names. Right now we have been having demos, and let me tell you, all of the Mount Kenya region musicians and artists and the so-called influencers and pastors, all they have been saying at the ordination ya Bishop Ben. So what? After you ordain him, so what? Pia yeye ni msee wa kuramba hizo manyunguru zuko bombo club. We now bow down to the Batman and the Babylon system, man. Yes. Imekaa sana sijaongea nao wasee, nikaona John vema we discharge some knowledge into them. They also have daughters, they also have sons. I tell you, one day you'll realize what these young men and women are fighting for.